listening positions. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, bow. Excellent. Okay, we had a really good test last week. I have some good news. I have a couple of white sashes to give out to earn them. A lot of practice. My first white sash for Sophia. Come on up, Sophia, and get your sash. Excellent job. Okay, if you know how to tie it, you can put it on now.
I don't know how to tie it.
Otherwise, you can just go back over there and hang on to it. Feel how smooth and shiny it is. Enjoy it. Okay, and I have some more good news. I also have a white sash for Orion. Congratulations, Orion. Come on up. White sash for you. There you go.
It's so smooth.
Very good job. It's super smooth and super shiny. So I can show you how to tie those. You know how to tie it?
No.
All right, I'll show you after.
It's so long.
You guys want to try to tie it right now? It's pretty tricky. Maybe with your parents' help, we can tie it. Let's do this. Put the sash down. Okay. Or how about this? Just kind of drape it over your shoulders.
Okay.
Go ahead, Sophia. Yep. Wow. That's pretty long. You think you can bow without tripping on that? Fold it in half.
Oh.
Yeah, fold it in half.
Così, Sofia, così.
That's it, Sophia. Now put it over your shoulders.
Come una sciarpa.
Yep. Orion, fold it in half.
No, si aperta.
I like that.
There you go, Sophia.
Wow.
Oh, here's a
It's like a new way of wearing the sash here. All right, now we're going to bow out of the sash ceremony. Then we'll show your parents how to tie it, and then we'll take a couple pictures. So let's get ready to bow. Congratulations, really good work. And bow. Excellent job.
Alright, so today I got my white sash and my uniform. And I think I look really cool with this. First, I'll show you this, and then boom, 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 boom.
Good job. Can you do a bow for us?
I did.
No, extra bow? Like when
Extra
you're
bow.
done?
Okay.
Good job. Guwapo naman martial artist yan eh. Hello, Bruce Lee. Little Bruce.
Oh, wait, I'll show you my crazy pose.
Okay, crazy pose. Ang aga ng hindi pa Pasko ah. Ang aga ng pa-Christmas daddy sa'yo ah. Bago Pasko, tomorrow pa. Alright, bye guys. Merry Christmas.
Bye, guys.